afternoon, guys. Akong ulat, guys. Nakuha ng
Yan.
pagod.
Yan, fried tilapia, guys.
Ako pa lang hindi nakahanda. Ito handa na pala to. O sige na, start ka na, Nikki.
Anong tawag nito?
Introduce your...
Danggit.
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 Istorya man siya.
Danggit.
Danggit. Yan, fried danggit. Yum, yum.
Good day, everyone. Please subscribe my friend Sally Brown Eyes on YouTube.
It smells
Ay, nako. Super crunchy. Yum, yum.
Then we have tilapia. Fillet.
Hi guys! Ang luto
Tapos?
ni Og kanang bulat ng gate from Cebu.
Ah, talaga.
Huwag mo ubusin, ate.
Sausawan.
Sausawan, ang wala, sis.
Yum, yum.
Okay, thank you very much. And aside from that, we have a beef. This is a beef steak called like
Bistek.
yeah.
Loto mo yan.
Hindi.
Sarap,
Loto
sarap.
ni Ate.
Ati hu.
Yes, tilapia.
Kini ka wala. Gimingan ako sa baho.
This one, guys. Sugay na yung ulang account ni guys. Ginata ang puso. Oh my God. The smell is very good.
At saka
Oh my
nandun
gosh.
ka rin,
Ang
oh.
sarap.
Uy, nandun ka rin.
Sorry, can you open me the thing?
Dating?
The door. It's very
Yeah.
And then, aside from that, we have achara. You know achara? Achara is a papaya.
Yung ano, play.
Sour papaya. It's very good for the panghimagas, guys.
I think here.
Yeah.
Can we use this
Bigyan
one?
mo ko.
Can we
Di ba
use this
bakla?
one?
Chibuga na po ni karon guys. Ako sa trapuhan ha.
Hindi na lang akong gamitan.
Karang trapuhan.
Okay, start, Nikki. Ate,
Nakikita ang background?
Mag-live din, mag-live
Dito, 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 dito.
dito.
Dito,
Dito
dito.
sa- dito.
Yan. Yan.
Mukbang man ay mukbang.
Yan.
Mukbanger.
Kamara lots of fish.
Working?
Every week mukbang.
Kamay kayo or
Magkamay ako. Magkamay ako sis.
gonna use our hands?
Tapos, kunin na kap.
Meron kayong ano, te, viewer, ate.
The viewer?
Siya, si ate. Ito.
Kisa mo yung viewer.
Si Wilson and Smith. Wilson and Smith. Hello, Madia Wilson
Yeah.
and
kunin na
Judeline
kap, guys.
Smith.
Shout out.
Shout out. Shout out dito. Shout out Madia Wilson and Judeline Smith.
Special.
Nakaharap ba ako?
Yeah, oo, nakaharap ka.
Go na.
Okay, eat,
Okay.
eat. Suka!
Ah.
Hindi ata nakalive tong aking ano.
Kwanti ka ng luwag ti anak.
At saka rice, guys. Rice. Rice, it's our life. It's the main, ano ba yun? Main dish. Rice. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Nakikita ba?
Sarap ng rice mo, ate.
Yeah. Ang ganda pa, no?
Oo.
White na white.
Yung iba, te, showcase mo yung iba.
Oh my gosh, Lord have mercy.
You need cups, baby.
Yeah, they have cups.
Ito, sausawan.
Ano yan, ate? Mangga with, mangga lang, with kamatis.
Kamatis, mangga, sibuyas. It's a mango, tomato, and onion. That's like
Soy
a
sauce.
side
Soy
Like,
sauce. Hawa.
salsa. So like a dip. No. Ano siya? Parang
Mangaw na, mangaw
dessert.
na!
Ellie, what is called Ellie? Is that,
Ano yung para sa sausawan?
Sawan
Sausawan.
with manga and
Yes.
shout out sa dalawang viewers ni ate.
Dalawa.
yeah, need more.
Oh, yeah. Anong tawag naman nito? Ang kasarap-sarap.
Beef steak. Beef steak.
Beef stick.
Beef, beef, beef,
Beef, yes, si
stick.
beef.
Beef steak. Tagalog.
Beef, beef.
I can get some.
And also, you guys,
Yeah.
put this on your rice. Yum,
Ako
yum.
mag-live sa TikTok ron ah.
Apilame ha.
Kailang viewers.
Apilame. Apilame, apilame.
And of course,
Uy, mag-iisa ko.
wash it down. You have to have a drink to wash it down.
Wala ko pinalingkod. Mag-iisa ko dati. Mangingi na lang po.
Okay. Start na ang kainan.
Tapos na ba?
Hindi pa. Meron ako dito, ano ako dito sa YouTube.
Ano pang missing?
Hello everyone. Please subscribe my friend Ate Sally, Sally Brown Eyes. Shout out to Sherry Barbie Stelly. Hindi ko alam paano sa ano to te. Basahin. Ano yung last name niya te? Hindi ko alam paano basahin. Gay Princess, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Sino yun?
Sherry Barbie? Barb or Sherry
Oh,
Barb?
yeah, I know her, yeah.
Okay. Manghita. Sally, where you out? Manghihisa sila.
I'm here because I got my plate ready.
Okay.
Oh, and also,
Sabi niya
our
Sherry ate,
dessert,
hi,
guys,
ladies.
it's a fried,
Sabi niya hi ladies.
hi ladies,
Sabi niya yummy.
yummy. It's a fried banana and a plantain. Ano ba
Yeah,
ito?
plantain.
Plantain, yeah. And slice it,
Meaning
fried it, and put brown sugar. Yeah, looks so yummy, guys.
sabi niya pala ate hi pala hindi pala gay. Hi princess, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Let's have a try. Let's see.
Oh,
Mmm.
is someone in the bedroom?
Mmm.
Who's the other one?
So crunchy.
Go to the other
Go
one.
back to my bedroom. Then took them out.
Nom 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 nom. Oops. Oops. Wala na.
Okay.
Nasaan yung mga iba?
Did she find it, baby?
Isay mo sulod.
I love it ate because see I have one shot. Oh, I don't know what that means. On YouTube.
Okay. Ano, Len? I-turn around mo dito para makita.
Oh, yan. Ay, nakaharap sa'yo.
Para makita kong sarili.
Yan, oh, M&A, rotate. Okay.
I-turn mo siya.
Ako na po dito. Sorry.
Here.
Uy, mga
Wala.
Labod na gigutom.
Ayan.
gutom na.
Nakaturn na rin. Saan siya?
Sandali.
Saan? Hindi yan.
Ayun na. Sorry.
Mmm.
Working.
Yeah, working.
Mmm.
Get more money.
Oh, ito.
Come on.
Ito.
Okay, let's go na pray.
Suot ka lang.
Mmm.
You like this one, remember when you were in Peru?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh, really?
Where? Oh, I'm here in Oakland.
You made it. Bless your heart.
Oh, super yummy. Mm. Okay, guys,
May kutsara din ha.
we're gonna eat. So I'll talk to you later. Hey, Richie, are we ready to eat?
Yes.
Oh, okay. See you. Mm.